Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're doing great. The name still remains Oboypapi and I'm back again with a new video. Okay, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can grow your YouTube videos from 0 view to 2,000 viewers. Okay, yeah, this may sound really crazy, but it's so true. You can do this with your smartphone and with the simple steps that I'm about to show you. Well, if you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, I have a video on how you can do that. So kindly check the video description, okay, so that you get a video which would lead you or teach you how you can create your YouTube channel. And definitely I'm going to drop more videos on why you should have a YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. Okay, now if today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I have more interesting videos coming up which I know you're definitely going to love them. Okay, and if you really do like my videos, kindly smash on the like button without hesitation. And if you have anything in mind that you want to share with me, drop that on your comment on the comment section, which I will surely respond to it. Okay, so let's go ahead to the video tutorials.
If I told you I have the best job for you, will you be interested? A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to earn more than you could spend. All you need is 50 Ghana cedis, and a smartphone to be part of this great opportunity. You will stand the chance to go home with plasma TV, smartphones, laptops, foodstuffs and expensive cars. And also enjoy a luxury vacation around the world. Contact us now to be part of this great opportunity.
Okay guys, so now let me start by showing you how you can register on their platform. Now I'm going to recommend you use Chrome browser because for you to be able to use all the features on their website, you are going to need a browser that can help you turn from phone mobile version to a desktop version. And we all know that Chrome browser allows that. So we are going to use the Chrome browser for it. Now go ahead and type in www.goviral.ai, okay, and that is the first one. Okay, anyway, I have the link on under the video comments. Okay, check the comment section. You're going to find my referral link, okay, which will take you to the website for you to sign up, and I'll get commission, that is points, for you signing up, and I get 10% for every coins that you get using the app, the platform. Okay, well, if you don't want me to earn any coins, so I don't have any problem with that. You can just go ahead and come to their main website, okay, by typing on the search, Google search, then you visit their website. Now let's click on it. Okay, so as you can see, that is their logo, Go Viral. It says get free YouTube views. Okay, so as you can see, this is what they do. It's all about YouTube. Anything concerning YouTube, then this is the right place to be. If you want to get subscribers, comments, likes, views, everything, I mean, you get everything over here. But now we are going to get free viewers, okay, using their platform. That is our main reason why we are on their platform today. Okay, so let's click on the menu and start with the registration process. You go to menu, you click on register. Okay, so now for you to register or to sign up, okay, they need you to provide your YouTube channel ID. Okay, so now how do you get your YouTube ID? Okay, go ahead and open your YouTube channel. Okay, go to YouTube app. Okay, and make sure you have logged into your YouTube account. Now click where the arrow is pointing, then you go to your channel. Okay, so as you can see, this is the channel that the other time we created. And you can check the video description for the link, which will show you how to create a YouTube channel and also how to create a YouTube thumbnails and also YouTube logo, how to create a logo and how to get a cover photo. Okay, I have video links to all that, which will help you to do or be able to create whatever that you want to create. Okay, so as you can see, we have 0 subscribers because there's a new account and I recently uploaded a new video, okay, for this tutorial. So now click on where the arrow is pointing so that we can get our ID. Now you go to share, then you copy your link, your channel's link. Okay, you go back to the platform. Okay, now you paste it here. Okay, so the one starting from UC, that is your ID. So now we need to clean or to erase the rest of the link. Okay, so now this is your ID. As you can see, this is your ID. So now once we are done with the ID, let's go ahead to the email. Okay, let me enter my email. Okay, so now once you're done with the email, enter a password which I cannot share with you guys. Okay, so I'm going to enter a password. Now you go to confirm password. Okay, you need to confirm the password. Okay, so now that I'm done with it, I'll go and click on sign up. Okay, to complete the registration. Okay, so our account is now officially created. Click on save to save the details. Okay, so the account is now created. Okay, now as you can see, let's go and start with the upgrade membership. You go to upgrade membership. Okay, so it says over here the maximum videos that you can somehow promote or boost is 5. Okay, when you use the free version, and the maximum video duration is 60. Okay, 60 seconds I think. And as you can see, 0 means that you won't spend money. That is the first one which is selected. The second one, which is silver, okay, maximum videos is 10 videos and duration is 90, and monthly coins, you get 1,000 coins monthly. So this one actually costs $30. If you go to upgrade, okay, you need to pay $30 to be able to get access to all these features. Okay, and the gold also $60. Somehow to me it looks more expensive. This their services, you pay for it, and but now we are not here to pay, we are here to get it for free. So now how do you get coins to be able to boost your channel? Okay, because you need coins. As you can see, our coins is 0 coins. Okay, so how do we get more coins to be able to boost or promote or get our YouTube videos to the 1K that we are looking for? Now let's go ahead to my videos. Okay, let's go ahead to my videos. Now if you go to my videos, that is where you can actually do or promote or boost your videos to the kind of subscribers or the views that you are looking for. So because we have linked our channel, as you can see, my first video, which is already linked, or it's already here, so you click on it to import. Okay, you click on it to import. So they are going to import the video over here. Now successfully created. Okay, you click on OK. Okay, so now as you can see over here, it's active now. You need to enter the number of views that you want. Okay, that is the first one. So let me put 1,000 views. We are looking for 1,000 views. Okay, so the 1,000 views will cost us 1,050 coins to be able to do that. Now if you check our coins, we have 0 coins. Okay, so how do we get coins without paying money for it? Okay, so now let's go to the menu and go to earn coins. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can get more coins to be able to do what? Be able to boost your YouTube videos. Now it says here, earn coins page is disabled for mobile phone users. Please use a desktop device instead. This is why I needed you to use the Chrome browser. So now let's go to where the arrow is pointed so that we can turn our device to the desktop version. Now you go to desktop site. Okay, so as you can see here, the video is loading. It will take us to a new tab. Okay, so this is the video. Now you click play. Okay, you click play. Now let's go to the page and see what is happening. Okay, so now as you can see, this thing is increasing because we are watching the video. So the more you watch the video, the blue thing also keeps on moving forward. Okay, and before you can do the task, as you can see, the first one says subscribe to the channel for 100 coins. Okay, now if you click on subscribe, it will tell you to view the video first. Okay, it says view the video first. So it means that we need to wait for this tab to finish loading before we can do what? Go ahead and do the task. Now the second one says that we get 25 coins for like. If you really like the video, we get 25 coins. Okay, so now let's go back to the video page. Okay, to make sure that the video is playing for some time before we get to be able to do the tax. Okay, so the video. Okay, so now 0 seconds remaining, which means that the video is done. Now let's wait for the alert. It said viewed successfully. Now click on subscribe. Okay, which will open a new tab. Okay, let me use just now. We are going to use the Chrome browser or the app. Okay, so it will open a new tab. Then you click on subscribe. Okay, you subscribe to the channel. Then you go back to the page. Okay, you wait for the alert. As you can see, it's loading. Okay, subscribed successfully. Now you click on like videos. Okay, which will open another tab so that you can like the video. Okay, so I'll go ahead and like the video. Okay, once you like the video, you go back to the page, okay, to see if it was successful. Okay, so that one too is loading. Okay, so it's also loading. Let's wait. Okay, like successfully. So every task that we did here was successful. Now let's check our balance. Okay, which shows that we have 126 coins. Okay, so now once you're done with this, you go to next video and do the same task. Okay, now if you click on the next video, now the first one says that already subscribed. Okay, meaning that we can't subscribe again for another coins. The next video says already. It means that the video is coming from the same channel. Okay, but we will be able to do or like the video and also receive. So this thing is increasing because it has opened a new tab. Okay, so you wait for it to increase before you click on like. I hope you guys are following. As long as you do this, there will be okay. So now it's done. You click on like video to open a new tab. Okay, so that you like the video. Okay, once you like the video, you go back to the page. Okay, so you wait for it to load. Okay, now liked successfully, and as you can see, the coins has been paid. We have 162 coins. Okay, you go to the next video. Okay, this one too, it's the same. We can't subscribe again because we already subscribed to it. Well, don't stop because there are going to be more channels. Okay, not only this channel. So the more, if you come here and you don't like it, you can just click on skip video, which is going to take you to the next one and the next and the next. Okay, so as long as you are following or you are doing this, you can increase your coins. So now follow me as I'm going to increase my coins to 1,000 plus to be able to do what by my 1,000 viewers. Okay. Okay guys, so after a couple of hours I've been able to get 2,999 coins. Okay, and I did the same task by watching the videos, subscribing, liking, and also comment. Okay, so that's how I was able to get the 2,000 coins right now. So now let's go ahead and boost our video. Okay, you go to my videos. Okay, and we have already imported that one particular video. Okay, I have only one video on my channel which is already here. So you go to, okay, it's active, the status says active. Now you go to action and you go to edit. Okay, so we need 1,000 views. Okay, so you enter 1,000 views. Okay, and which is going to cost us 10,050. Now my balance is 2,000. Okay, meaning that I will be able to buy it. Okay, and I only need views, so I'm not going to add up anything, subscribers, nothing. I will not add anything, just 1,000 views. So I'll go to finish. You click on finish. Okay, so okay, so successfully updated. You click on OK. Okay, so now we need to wait for our video to reach the 1,000, or that is 1K viewers, Okay, we need to wait for the video, and as you can see, that is 1,000. So it's now going to increase. Okay, and this is going to take some time. Okay, you just need to relax and log out for now and come back later to check. Then you realize that it's working. Okay, so now let's go ahead and check our YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to open my YouTube studio, okay, to check. Okay, so as you can see right now, we have now nine views. Okay, we have 9 views at the moment. And let's go back to the website and check. Okay, refresh the page. Okay, you need to refresh the page and see how much we have right now. Okay, so we have nine views. Okay, as you can see, 9 views. Okay, so 9 out of the 1,000. Okay, so this is going to take some time for you to get all the 1,000 viewers that you are looking for. Okay, so this is what I have for you guys today. I hope you liked it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if today is your first time. I'm going to drop a next video on how you can get subscribers with a different platform. Okay, stay blessed.